here, and welcome back to a new video. And this is a new channel and a new video, so I hope you like this video and subscribe if you're new. So let's get on the let's play. So I'll have a lot of worlds, but I want to create a new one so you guys know how to survive the first night. Survival, there will be, let's play, Craft. So what kind of seed do you want? Like village, or survival island, or jungle temples. I'm gonna choose epic cliff. I'm gonna choose Winding River because there's a lot of trees in it. So it's while it's generating the world, I'm gonna talk about my channel a lot and on this video. So stay tuned. If you want to make so if you want me to make some vlogs, some let's play again, or some Hunger Games, Egg Wars with my friends outside, like that thing. So first of all, in Minecraft, you gotta look around to your surroundings. So first of all, in Minecraft, you gotta punch wood. That's every survivor needs, punch wood. So while we're punching wood, I see some clips. Comment down below where do you want to live, or there, or here, or here. You guys choose, because I'm a bad chooser. So let's punch the wood. There. So guys, comment down below if you want to make some vlogs or some other let's play videos. And let's kill this chicken. The chicken too fast. Oh no. Rip. So that I'm gonna put a crafting table right here, and I'm gonna mine before I kill it. Tyson. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is hard. Maybe later I'm gonna kill a chicken with a sword. So up. This is okay. Okay, yes, it's okay. Yes. So we're gonna mine for a while, and let's see if I find some diamonds in a village. Oh no, I made a bad decision. I should have gone to the village. There's no turning back. Let's get some pickaxe and some axe. If you want to make me do some top 10 things you should know about Minecraft, I can do that. And some friends I'm gonna call if you want vlog together, and I can do everything. So while I'm breaking some stone here, I I should get a ton of cobblestone. Let's get a few cobblestone, and I'm gonna pause this video because you don't like me to see some boring some breaking stone. I'm gonna pause this video. So guys, I'm done breaking some stone, and I got 22. That is insane. But my pickaxe is almost complete. So let's see. I'm gonna break more of these trees, birchwood trees. So yeah, wait. I'm gonna craft it now. If you like to see some GTA 5 stuff, comment down below. I'll make sure that I will post videos every day. Killing this chicken. Yes! The chicken is dead, but I need to cook the chicken with a furnace. Go there. And we need wood. No. There's the cooked chicken. We need to find more food before night falls because I don't want to go outside if it's night because crazy mobs gonna spawn. If you like to see some crazy craft, comment down below too. So, chicken is cooked. Yeah. So I'm gonna make not a temporary home there, but it will be. Just comment down below if you like this temporary house or getting wood. And let's craft this. But I need some spare wood to cook them because we need torches. They're not wood. It's some charcoal. If you cook some birchwood, but not this wood, like chop down the tree and cook it in a furnace, it will give you charcoal. So this is my temporary home. I wish it's beautiful, but it will be. Need more wood. Where are the doors? Some oak door here, and we need sand. But I need to craft whatchamacallit, a shovel, so we can dig the sand faster. There we go. So the rest is So guys, I'm gonna break you some. Oh no! I'm gonna mine after I get this side going on the next video. I'm gonna mine here with our temporary mining for now. It's done cooking. Wow. See? Let's get more wood. I'm gonna plant those trees so it will grow again, because if I have no trees in here, I have to find again some trees. So yeah, if you like to, if you like some let's play again, so comment down below. That's okay, guys. This is the end of the video, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you're new, or you can not subscribe. It's okay. I'm not begging. So, guys, if you like this video, comment down below and say I like this video. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.